Okay. Sales and distribution, sales, sales document, sales document header, define document types. Now, this will be basically our setting for the various processes like inquiry, quotation, project quotation, repair quotation, service. And we can actually configure various requirements here based on the process that are available within our company, and we can mold as per our business requirements. Okay. Right now we are looking for a sales order, sales information. Standard order. Okay. Standard order is CMDM, CMR, CMRP. This is standard order and standard order category C. And C is basically order, number range, and external assignment 0, 1, and 2. Info records can be made available. We'll also see that because I just want to jump directly into the front end after this because we have already created a customer. Okay. We can also add lead time in days. Lead time means the gap that we have before the stock is replenished and shipped. Billing request will keep this all empty and by default. So this is how you actually mold your document types. So let's first create a material, a finished good. Okay. Now finished good. MN60 plant executes. Plant is MAPT 198. MN01 industry sector mechanical. Material type is finished because we're going to sell finished products. Okay, select use. By default, MRP 1 and 2. Work scheduling, counting, costing, organization level, MAPT. MAPL, MAPT. Okay. Sales org, Mahindra sales org. Okay. Basic unit of measure is BC 01. Okay. Next screen, English FG underscore 198. Jurisdiction. Okay. Three, three. Okay. Three. Next screen. Tax exempt 0. Okay. Tax exempt is 0. So we'll add 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Batch requirements. Other than that, okay. Next screen. Procurement type is X, which is internal production and external procurement both are allowed. PR MRP type is PD. Lot sizing procedure is lot for lot. MRP controller 01 does not exist. Oh, all right. Okay. Let's exit this one then. Let's not use MRP MM01. Select use. Team or okay. These material one go next screen. Zero, 0, 0, 0. Text them. Screen. Okay. Screen. Next screen. Valuation class 7920. This is for finished goods. Now, what is a valuation class? Valuation class is basically it is just like your material group from the finance side. I mean, in material group is from MM side. Valuation will actually take care of the geos that will take care of that material group. So material group can be of same features, but different colors, same, and different, those material group can be bundled together under valuation class. Okay, moving price, this is standard 100 and 100. Okay, next screen. Alternative form, this for MRP. Profit center, no. Yes. This does not contain an entry. The field text classification is defined. Okay. Text category, name, classification. Okay. Full text. Text classification is defined as a required field does not contain an entry. Text classification. Okay. Let's take it up in another lecture. I have to check this error.